To play AI Minecraft, start by searching for a specific website online. Once you've reached the site, click on the main link to access the homepage, where you'll find a Start button. After clicking on this, a text prompt will appear, followed by a Next button that loads the AI Minecraft page. Here, you can choose from various maps or upload your own. If you're having trouble loading a map, try refreshing the page. Select a map by clicking Begin Journey, and you'll be transported into the game. Use the keyboard controls at the bottom of the screen to navigate the map. Similar to playing traditional Minecraft, you have a set amount of time, typically 5 minutes, to play and explore the AI version of the game as you wish.